Director wa Forensic Police Andrew Mubiri yabigambo byaba nabuzwa baramuzi bamure katanga habinte byayanjiro mukote sabite hwire ebyayihiro mu kucebera DNA kandi okurugirira harubaro yabamure katanga bagira ngo director wa police akaremwa kucebera kigaro eshagama hamwe n'amacwanta ha pisto ebirukugambwa kuba byakoze sibwo mu kwita Henry Katanga biti yacebera DNA bar kugira ngo umuntu yaba nagamba yakwata har mugenzi we ninga kakwata ha kinte cyo umuntu yakwataho nabasa kutwara DNA ye okugitaha kintu ekindi.
My Lord, if I touch this table and I touch a gun, I can take Mr. Kabatsi's DNA to that gun. So Mr. Kabatsi's, would I be correct to say?
Secondary. Okay.
Would I be correct to say your DNA can be on an object you have never touched?
Due to secondary transfer, it's possible.
Oguyashobora ko tungwe byarujuro mu kucebera ndanga muntu ningashi DNA zikahindura mu bwanyuma yo kurugo mu cyoma kandi yagambira ko tungutakabyiha yahabwo kuba biri confidential ekibaro yabamure Katanga bagira ngo hakabaho kuhindura obujurizi ngo kandi tubarahirwe yo mukoti ahabwo ko bo bino mukoto bwa hatu bukahindurwamo.
So would I be correct to say that is DNA that was on an object before an incident took place?
I know that is misleading, and I would prefer to explain to court what the background DNA is.
Yeah, you do.
I know the background DNA would be, for example, an object you normally use. So, for example, when you watch My Lord, if we are testing for foreign DNA, your DNA would be background DNA.
Aba bayongera bayoreka ngo eshagama ya muri Katanga kashangwa hasirinji omucinabiro aha balcony hamwe na hand hona ekirukoreka ngo akabona bonisubwe ki Dr. Mubiro yagira ngo tarakumanya.
In the report you have told us you have a page in the report where you did that quantitative analysis and you have told us it was from a system called Euro 4 Mix.
My Lord,
show us the Euro 4 Mix system computation for the bed sheet.
My Lord, for single source profiles, we don't provide the computation, we provide for only the mixtures.
But your system is telling us it's a mixture.
The same system is the one that indicated as a single source profile, that's why I...
No, where on the system?
Ebyabana bigendo mishobwe muri Katanga rukubikora tarahara za Kanyabwenge okurwo mu Comeruzara. Amakuraga gashakwa Jimmy Muhumza.